Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Talk. We are absolutely thrilled you're here with us today. I'm Rocky.
And I'm Jeena. We create these videos with one super simple goal: to make speaking English feel fun, easy, and totally natural for you.
If you love our lessons and this vibe, please do us a massive favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It genuinely helps us reach more amazing learners like you.
It really does. Thank you so much. Now, Rocky, are you ready for today's topic? I think everyone is going to connect with this one.
I'm always ready, Jeena. So, what's the magic topic for today?
Today, we're talking about something universal, something we all experience, check on our phones, and talk about, probably every single day.
Wait, is it the news? Politics? Deep philosophy?
Not quite. It's something even more common. It's the weather.
Of course, the weather, the ultimate small talk champion, the hero of awkward elevators and the savior of quiet coffee breaks.
Exactly. It's the perfect, safe, and simple topic to start a conversation with your neighbor, a colleague, or the person standing next to you in a queue. So, let's master it.
Let's do it. But first, a quick check-in. Jeena, how are you feeling today? And I'm not just asking about the weather.
I'm wonderful, thank you, Rocky. Feeling energized. How about you?
I'm great. Honestly, maybe a tiny bit tired, but in a good way.
Oh, a tired Rocky is a rare thing. Did you have a busy weekend?
I did. On Saturday, I went for this incredibly long walk in the hills. The air was so fresh. It was just relaxing and beautiful.
That sounds idyllic. What about Sunday? More adventure?
Sunday was Operation Clean Apartment. Very boring. But hey, now my place is spotless. A trade-off.
I totally understand. I did the same thing, Sunday cleaning. But in the evening, I treated myself to a movie.
Nice. Which one? Something action-packed?
An old comedy. It was hilarious. I was laughing out loud by myself. It was the perfect way to end the weekend.
I need to do that. Note to self, watch funny movie next weekend. It's good for the soul.
It really is. Okay, back to business. The weather. It's popular for a reason. So let's start with the absolute basics. Rocky, look outside. What is the weather like today?
Today is a gorgeous day. It is absolutely sunny, not a cloud in sight.
Yes, it's sunny and it's pleasantly warm. Not too hot, not too cold, just perfect.
Exactly. A warm, sunny day. The sky is this brilliant blue. I live for days like this.
Most people prefer sunny days, I think. I know I do. I'm not the biggest fan of rain.
Really? You don't like rain at all? I don't mind it sometimes.
No? Tell me why. Convince me.
Okay, first, the sound. The sound of rain against the window is the most relaxing, peaceful sound in the world. Second, the smell. After it rains, the air is so clean and fresh. It's called petrichor. Everything looks greener, brighter, like the world got a wash.
The smell is nice. I'll give you that. But going outside in the rain? No, thank you. I get wet, my shoes get ruined, my hair goes crazy. It's just uncomfortable.
That's what umbrellas and raincoats are for, Jeena.
Theory versus practice, Rocky. I own 4 umbrellas. All of them are currently in my home, never with me when it rains.
You need a system, a tiny foldable one in your bag. Be prepared.
I'll try to remember. So we have our first 2 words, sunny and rainy. What about when there's a lot of air moving around?
When it's windy. On a windy day, you see trees dancing. You feel it pushing against you. It can be refreshing or, if it's strong, a bit annoying.
Good. And when it's very cold and soft, white frozen water falls from the sky?
That's snow. And when it's snowing, we say it's snowy. Snowy days are magical. Kids love them. Snowmen, snowball fights.
Perfect. So we have sunny, rainy, windy, snowy. But the sky isn't always clear or stormy. Sometimes it's just
Cloudy. Cloudy means there are lots of clouds. The sun might be hiding. Like yesterday, it was gray and cloudy all day, but it never actually rained.
Yes, and sometimes, especially in the morning or near water, it can be foggy.
Foggy. That's when a thick cloud is right on the ground. Visibility is low. Driving in fog is nerve-wracking. You have to go super slow.
Absolutely. Safety first. Now, let's get more specific about how hot or cold it is. We use a scale of words.
Right. We have hot, warm, cool, and cold. Can you paint a picture with those?
Gladly. In the middle of summer in a desert, it is scorching hot. A lovely day at the park, like today, is warm and pleasant. A typical autumn morning is cool. You need a light jacket. And a winter night? That's cold. Time for a heavy coat, scarf, gloves.
Nailed it. So, Jeena, big question. What's your favorite season and the weather that comes with it?
I am a proud autumn lover.
Really? Most people say summer.
I love the crisp, cool air of autumn. I adore the colors, the leaves turning red, orange, and gold. The light is softer. The weather is just perfect for long walks. Not too hot, not too cold.
That does sound beautiful. For me, it's summer.
Because you love melting in the heat?
Not the melting part. I love the long days. The sun sets so late. You can finish work, go for a walk, and it's still bright out. It feels like you have more time.
That's a lovely reason. Long summer evenings are special. What about spring?
Spring is nature's comeback. After winter, everything wakes up. The weather gets warmer, flowers bloom, tulips, daffodils. It feels hopeful, like a new beginning.
Beautifully said. And winter?
I like winter, in small doses. A white, snowy Christmas is magical. But a long, dark, cold winter, I get tired of it. I don't like wearing layers and layers just to go outside.
Same. A little snow is poetic. Months of cold is challenging. Okay, let's level up our vocabulary. We need more than just basic words.
Let's do it. First important word, temperature. Temperature.
Temperature. It's the measure of how hot or cold something is. We say it in degrees, like 20 degrees C or 68 F.
So you can ask, what's the temperature today? And someone might say, it's about 22 degrees. It's quite warm.
Perfect. Next crucial word, forecast. Forecast.
The weather forecast, my daily ritual. It's the prediction of what the weather will be like in the future.
Yes, you can say, have you seen the forecast for the weekend? Or, the forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow.
Now let's get specific about rain. Not all rain is the same. First, gentle rain, drizzle, drizzle.
Drizzle is that very light, misty rain. The drops are tiny. You might not even bother with an umbrella. It's just drizzling.
The opposite of a drizzle is a downpour, downpour.
A downpour is heavy, intense rain. A lot of water falls in a short time. You will get soaked in a downpour.
Example, we got caught in a sudden downpour and had to run for shelter.
Now, wind. We know windy, but for a nice, gentle wind, we say breeze. Breeze.
A breeze is soft and pleasant. On a hot day, a cool breeze is heavenly. You can say, feel that lovely breeze.
Another key word, especially in summer, humid. Humid.
Humid means the air feels wet and heavy. There's a lot of moisture in it. It makes hot weather feel even hotter and stickier.
Example, it's not just hot today, it's really humid. My clothes are sticking to me.
For cooler weather, we have chilly, chilly.
Chilly means a bit cold, colder than cool, but not freezing cold. You feel a slight shiver. A chilly morning needs a jacket.
And for the sky, clear, clear.
A clear sky has no clouds. It's just blue, perfect for stargazing or a sunny day.
The opposite of a clear sky, overcast.
Overcast means the sky is 100% covered with thick gray clouds. The sun is completely hidden. It often looks like it might rain.
Let's use all these new words in a mini story. I'll start.
Okay, go.
Yesterday, I checked the forecast. The temperature was going to drop, so I knew the evening would be chilly.
In the morning, the sky was clear and beautiful, perfect for my walk.
But by lunchtime, it became overcast. Then it started to drizzle.
I didn't have an umbrella, but it was just a drizzle, so it was okay. Later, a gentle breeze picked up, which was nice.
My friend called from a tropical country. She said they were having a humid heat wave, followed by a massive downpour every afternoon.
Perfect! See how those words make the description so much richer?
They really do. Now let's practice the most important part, the conversations. Let's role play. I'll be your neighbor. We meet outside our buildings.
Okay, ready.
Morning, Jeena. Lovely day, isn't it?
It really is. So sunny and warm. I hope it stays like this for the weekend.
Me too. I'm planning a barbecue. The forecast looks promising.
That sounds fun. Enjoy it.
Great. Now a different scene. It's a Monday morning at the bus stop. It's raining.
What a dreary day.
Tell me about it. Monday mornings are hard enough without the rain.
Did you remember your umbrella today?
I did. I finally learned my lesson.
Good for you.
See? Simple, natural, friendly. The weather is just the opener. Now let's talk about extreme weather. Big words like storm, thunder, and lightning.
A storm is violent weather with strong wind and heavy rain. Thunder is the loud, booming sound. Lightning is the flash of light in the sky.
I have to admit, I'm a little scared of thunderstorms. The thunder can be so loud.
It's loud, but usually safe indoors. The key is to stay inside during a severe storm.
Let's also talk about planning. The weather affects everything: travel, clothes, activities.
Absolutely. If you travel to a hot, humid country, pack light clothes. To a cold, snowy one, pack your warmest coat and boots. Always check the forecast before you pack.
Exactly. So, to wrap up this mega Rocky. Basic adjectives: sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, foggy.
Temperature words: hot, warm, cool, cold, chilly.
Advanced vocabulary: temperature, forecast, drizzle, downpour, breeze, humid, clear, overcast.
Key questions. What's the weather like? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Is it going to rain?
And remember, it's the easiest way to start a chat and connect with people.
Now it's your turn. Our question of the day is:
what is your favorite type of weather and why?
do you love a hot, sunny day at the beach?
Or a cold, snowy day for skiing?
Maybe a cool, breezy autumn day for a hike?
Or even a rainy, stormy day to cozy up with a book?
There is no wrong answer. Tell us exactly what you love and why in the comments below. We read every single one and love hearing from you.
If you learned something today, please let us know by giving this video a huge thumbs up.
And if you want to join our English learning family, subscribe to the English Talk and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
We post new videos every week on practical, fun topics to get you speaking confidently.
Thank you so much for your amazing energy today. Keep practicing, be brave, and don't fear mistakes. They're how we learn.
You've got this. Now go out or stay in and strike up a conversation about the weather.
Until next time, have a wonderful day and great weather.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.